राजमणि सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमू रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमू रामाय तस्मै नमः। रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम् रामे चित्तलय सदा भवतु मे हो राम मामुद्धर। Very beautiful episode of the removal of the ego of Narada Rishi, the eradication of the pride, conceitedness of Narada Rishi. If we put ourselves in the place of Narada Rishi, we also deserve it. The pride of each and everyone has to go. If pride remains, then conflict comes. If pride remains, then our behavior, conduct with others will not be most elite. Pride in the heart of a human being or conceitedness in the heart of the human being gives rise to so many unnecessary equations or inequations. When they come, we start conversing wrongly. So this pride has to be removed. Ho nisaachar jaay tum kapati papi do हसे हूँ हम ही सो ले हूँ फल बहुरी हसे मुनि को। So the two Shiva Ganas who had seen Naradji and laughed at him and had hidden the truth from him, so Naradji has given a curse. He has cursed them. What has he cursed? Ho nisachar, become demons, both of you. You are Shiva Ganas, you become two demons. Jai tum kapati papi, though you are kapati, that means you are people who are crooked and cunning, so you become two demons. Haseu hamahiso leho phalav, you laughed at me, you mocked me. Therefore the fruit you receive is that you have to now, in future, understand that you should never laugh or mock at a rishi. पुण्य जल दीख रूप निज पावा तदपि हृदय संतोष न आवा हरकत अधर कोप मन माही सपदि चले कमलापति पाही Puni jal deekh roop nij pawa. He went and looked at his reflection in the water. Then he understood what type of a face Vishnu has given him, the face of a monkey. So tadapi hridaya santosh, now still he is not satiated. Even after cursing those two people, he is not satiated. Still something, anger is there and his lips are shivering like anything because of anger. He is not able to control his anger. Sapadi chale kamalapati pa. Immediately he went to Kamalapati Vishnu. देहौ श्राप की मरिहौ जाई जगत मोरी उपहास कराई बीच ही पंथ मिले धनुजारी संग रमा सोई राजकुमारी. He has He has gone now to see Narayan to Vaikuntha. But as he is proceeding itself, he sees in front of him Narayan and Lakshmi are coming. I will either go, before he sees Narayan, he has said, either I will go and curse Narayan or I will die. I myself will leave my pran. Jagat mori upahasa karai, he has made fun of me in this world. Beech hi panth mile danujari. Just on the way itself, he saw Narayan is coming with Lakshmi. Sang Rama soi Rajakumari. Now the same Rajakumari is now become Lakshmi. He could make out that it is Rajakumari in the form of Lakshmi. Bole madhur bachan sur sai. Muni kah chale bikal keenai. Sunat bachan upja ati krodha. Maya bas न रहा मन बोधा. Immediately Bhagavan Narayan very softly, very pleasingly said, what happened, Rishi Naraji, where are you going? You seem to be very disturbed. Where are you going? Sunat vachan upajati krodha. Still, it was adding fuel to the fire. Now Naraji is still more agitated by that. Maya basana raha man bodha. Now he is under the control of Maya. Therefore he could not control the anger. Par sampada sakahu nahi dekhi. Tumhare irsha kapat bisekhi. Mathat sindhu rudra hi baurayahu. Suran prerit vishpan karayahu. See the words Naraji is using exactly like human beings. You fellow Narayana, you can't see others' progress. You can't bear others' progress. You are a very jealous person. Tumhare irisha kapat viseki, your crookedness and your jealousy I can make out. All you're very, very jealous about. I would have been happily living with that Rajakumari, and you cannot stand that. That's why you have done this thing. Mathat Sindhu Rudra. I know your past history also. Naraji is saying, Narayana, I know your past history. When the churning of the ocean was done, when the poison came, you silently gave the poison to Shankarji and you didn't drink it. You very nicely tapped away the poison and gave it to Shankarji. And you made others believe that actually Shankar alone is capable of drinking that one, whereas you could have done it. Asura sura visha sankarahi. Asura sura visha sankarahi. Apurama manicharu. Swaratha sadhaka kutila tumha. Sada kapat vyavaharo. You very cleverly you managed the affairs when the churning was going on. You gave sura to the asuras. You gave asuron ko madira, that is you gave the alcohol to the suras, and you gave poison to Shankar. And what did you do? You silently took away Lakshmi from there. Lakshmi also came from the Samudra only. Silently took away Lakshmi. Swarata sadhaka. You are a very, very selfish person. You are kutila, crooked. Tum sada kapata vyavaharu. And all your activities are filled with crookedness only. Param swatantra na sir par koi. Bhavai manahi karahu tum soi. भले ही मंद मंदे ही भल करहु. विस्मय हर्ष नहीं कछु धरहु. You are totally free. You don't have anybody to tell you anything, isn't it? That's why you behave like this. Whatever comes to your mind, you do like that. See the words. Parama swatantrat na sir par koi. Tumhare sir par koi nahi hai. Bhavahi manahi karahu tum soi. Whatever you wish, whatever pleases you, you are manmani, will o the wisp. Bhale hi mand mande hi bhala karahu. Good people, you make them as foolish. Intelligent people, you make them foolish, and foolish people, you make them intelligent. Bad people, you make them as good people. Good people, you make them as bad people. Bisamay harashana hiya kachudaru. And after that, you remain unaffected. You are not at all affected. You have no guilty conscience also. Dahaki parichehu sabakahu. Ati asank man sada uchahu. Karam subha subh tumhi na badha. Ab lagi tumhi na kahu sadha. How many people have you cheated like this? You have cheated the entire world like this. Dahaki thak karke parichayu sabka ho. Everybody you cheat like this only. And you are absolutely fearless. You always are enthusiastic. See the positive points. You have cheated so many people. You are always fearless and you are always cheerful also. And whether you do a wrong act or right act, no fruits have to be borne by you. You do not have to experience any fruits. Is there anybody in the world, one person at least, who has lived a good life because of you? None. Bhale bhavan ab bayan deena. Pavahu ke phal apan keena. Banchahu mohi javan dhari deha. Soitanu dharau shrapa mama eha. भले भवन अब बायन दीना. अब की तुमने अच्छे घर बना दिया है. That the one who was happily living, you completely destroyed his living itself. My life you have destroyed. And then pavahuke phala apanakina, you will definitely receive the fruit of your bad, wicked act. Vanchahu mohi javani dhari dhira, you cheated me by giving me the face of a monkey. So you in future, soitanu dharahu shrapa mama eha, and you also have to take the same form. You also have to take the same form in future. That means you also have to become a monkey, actually speaking. Tum bhi wahi sharir dharan karo ya mera shaap hai. You also take the same form as you have given me, the form of a monkey. Kabhi akriti tum keeni hamari. Kari hahi kis sahay tumari. Mama apakar keen tum bhari. Nari birah tum hob dukhari. Now, the first sharp given was not the face. You will not come as a monkey, but you will have to take the body of a human being. You will have to come as a human being to this earth, and you will be helped only by monkeys, because you gave me the face of a monkey. And what did you do? You took away the person whom I wanted to have as my wife, consort. So you will suffer by losing your consort. That means you will patni viraha. You will have to stay away from your dear wife in this janma when you come. So that is the sharp of Naradji to Bhagavan Narayan. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat.